See, the title which we are discussing today, after the IUPAC nomenclature of complex, is isomerism. When I said isomerism, I am dealing with the isomer. आइसोमर वर्ड सुनते ही आपके मन में एक बात हमेशा आती है कि the compounds having same molecular formula but different structural formula. It is true, but it is about structural isomerism. Actually, there are two different types of isomers. One is the stereoisomer and the another one is the structural isomer. Stereoisomer and structural isomer. Structural isomer means the molecular formula is same, but structural formula is different. It is again classified into four categories. Ionization isomer, linkage isomer, coordinate isomer, and the fourth one is solvated isomer. And this stereoisomer is having same molecular formula, same structural formula, but different stereospecific properties. And there it is classified in two categories. One is geometrical isomers, and the second one is the, you know very well, optical isomer, which is further classified as cis and trans isomer in case of geometrical isomer, and in optical isomer, dextrorotatory and levorotatory, which you learn generally in halogen derivative of alkane. So the isomer is mainly categorized into two parts. Stereoisomer, same molecular formula, same structural formula, different stereospecific properties, which we will be discussing next class. Structural isomer having same molecular formula but different structural formula, classified into four categories. Stereoisomer further classified into two types, geometrical isomer, optical isomer, which is further classified as cis and trans, and that is dextro and levo. This part we will cover in the next class. Today we will discuss the structural isomers. Ionization isomer, linkage isomer, coordinate isomer, and solvated isomer. These are the structural isomers. Let's discuss one by one with suitable example these are structural isomers. Four structural isomers we are discussing here. See, the title itself indicates the real meaning of the isomer. First structural isomer is ionization isomer. Ionization isomer. What is ionization isomer? Let me give example first. If I say cobalt NH3 5 Br, SO. I'm taking example cobalt, NH3 SO4, Br. See, both having cobalt, ammonia, 5 ligands. Br is there, Br is here, SO4 is here, SO4 is here. Means their molecular formula is same because all the constituents are same. But when they ionize, this is giving cobalt, NH3 Br plus SO4 minus 2. Therefore, this is plus 2. This one is giving cobalt, NH3 SO4 plus Br. Br is minus 1. Therefore, this is plus 1. This produces different ions. And as it produces different ions, it is they are ionization isomer. Ionization isomer. The complex having same molecular formula but produces different ions are called as ionization isomer. These two are the examples of ionization isomer because they produces different ions. Molecular formula same, ions अलग मिलते हैं, करके they are ionization isomer. Second one is a linkage isomer. Heading itself indicate linkage. Let me take example again, cobalt, NH3 NO2 plus 2 and cobalt, NH3 ONO plus 2. सब रिपीट करेंगे लास्ट में. Cobalt, 5 ammonia, NO2, but in this case, the coordinate bond is formed by nitrogen. Here it is formed by oxygen. Means the linkage between metal and ligand is different. Here the coordinate bond is formed between cobalt and nitrogen of NO2, cobalt and oxygen of NO2. So in linkage isomer, the complex having same molecular formula but different linkage between metal and ligand, then they are called as linkage isomer. And one thing is very clear, in a linkage isomer, there must be the presence of ambidentate ligand. There must be the presence of ambidentate ligand. Ambidentate ligand वहां पर होना चाहिए present. Because ambidentate ligand is forming a single coordinate bond, but has more than one donor atom. Here nitrogen is a donor atom, here oxygen is donor atom. And therefore, these are example of linkage isomer. Number 3, coordinate isomer. Coordinate isomer. Let me give you an example. If it is chromium, ethylene thrice, ethylene diamine 3 times, cobalt Cl6. One example. Another complex, chromium Cl6, cobalt, ethylene diamine 3 times. This one is tris, ethylene diamine, chromium, chromate 3, hexachloride, cobalt 3. cobaltate 3. See, this one is -3, this one is +3. Correction is there. Tris ethylene diamine chromium 3 hexachloride cobaltate 3. इसका नाम क्या होगा? hexachloride 3 tris ethylene diamine cobalt 3 इसका नाम. इनमें डिफरेंस क्या दिख रहा है आपको? द मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला इज सेम बट ligands are exchanged between two coordination sphere. See, this one is neutral, +3. So this one is +3. -6 +3, -3. This is cationic complex ion. This is anionic. And between cationic and anionic, the ligands are exchanged. Molecular formula is same, but within coordination sphere, the ligands are exchanged. Therefore, these are the example of coordinate isomer. Let me revise. The complex having same molecular formula, but there is exchange of ligand between metals of coordinate sphere. Between metals of coordinate sphere is called as coordinate, are called as coordinate isomer. And the fourth one is solvated, nahi, so it is a hydrated isomer. Solvated or hydrated isomer. What is that? See, if I am taking example of cobalt, H2O 6 Cl3, cobalt H2O6 Cl Cl2. Instead of 6, if I made 5, because the secondary valency of cobalt is fixed and that is 6. 5 plus 1, 6. 1 water outside. See, in both the case, the molecular formula is same, but number of H2O molecules, hydrated ligand inside the sphere and outside the sphere are different. In first example, inside the sphere there are 6 water, outside the sphere 0. In second example, inside the sphere 5 and outside the sphere 1. And therefore, these two complexes are called as solvated isomers. Solvated isomer. The complex having same molecular formula but different number of water molecules inside the sphere and outside the sphere, then they are called as solvated or hydrated isomer. All these are structural isomers. Let me revise all in detail. फिर से मैं रिवाइज कर रहा हूं. These are the examples of structural isomers. The complexes having same molecular formula but different structural formulas are called as structural isomer. Number 1, ionization isomer. The complexes having same molecular formula but produces different ions. See, the ions are different. Are called as ionization isomer. For example, this is the example. Linkage isomer. The complexes having same molecular formula but having different linkage between metal and ligand. then they are called as linkage isomer. For example, these two are the examples. And one thing you must mention, that linkage isomer is only available in those complexes which are having ambidented ligand. Because only ambidented ligand has more than one donor atom. It is actually monodentate but has more than one donor atom. Here nitrogen is donor atom. In the explanation you may write nitrogen is donor atom. In this complex oxygen is donor atom. Therefore these are the example of linkage isomer. In case of coordinate isomer, the complexes having same molecular formula, but there is exchange of ligand between metals within coordination sphere. They are called as coordinate isomer. In the first example of the complex, ethylene diamine ligand is forming coordinate bond with Cr and chlorido ligand forming bond with cobalt. In another example, chlorido ligand forming bond with Cr and ethylene diamine is forming covalent bond with cobalt. Exchange of ligand between metal within the coordination sphere, they are called as coordinate isomer. Solvated or hydrated isomer. Solvated, in a solvent is water, and it concerns about how many number of H2O molecules are within the sphere and outside the sphere. The complexes having same molecular formula but different number of H2O molecules within the sphere and outside the spheres, then they are called as a solvated or hydrated isomer. They are called as the solvated and hydrated isomers. See, in the first example, 6H2 are the part of the secondary valency. They are inside the sphere, outside the sphere 0. But in the other example, 5H2 molecules are there inside the sphere and only one outside the sphere. So these all are the 4 structural isomers. Let me revise with the name. The first one is pentaamine bromido cobalt 3 sulfate. Pentaamine sulfato cobalt 3 bromide. Next one is linkage isomer pentaamine nitrito capital N cobalt 3 ion. In second example, pentaamine nitrito, यहां तक एक वर्ड सेम है, बाद में O कोबाल्ट 3 आयन. डिफरेंस है, पहले में N लिखना पड़ेगा, दूसरे में O, बिकॉज कोऑर्डिनेट बॉन्ड बनाने वाले डोनर एटम्स अलग है. ट्रिस इथिलीन डायमाइन क्रोमियम 3 हेक्साक्लोराइडो कोबाल्टेट 3 हेक्साक्लोराइडो क्रोमेट 3 ट्रिस इथिलीन डायमाइन कोबाल्ट 3 solvated hexa aquo cobalt 3 chloride penta aquo chlorido cobalt 3 chloride aqua. So this is about the all 4 structural isomers of complex. नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट द स्टीरियो आइसोमर्स ऑफ द